All right, hey everybody, this is John, and welcome to the free video. And let's take a look at the cues here. Very strong light volume rally today, back to the mean, back to the 21 EMA. No real squeezes or anything on the on the daily or anything like that. There is some 3-day and 4-day squeezes, and if we check those, just kind of see which way they're pointing here on the 3-day squeeze, you can see that the momentum here is essentially rolling over. So yes, there was a pretty solid day today, but the momentum here just is not breaking through, which essentially when this happens, when it fires, you just kind of look for this to roll over, and we're getting crushed again. We did do an earnings trade on Netflix today that was bearish, and I was thinking it just might be down 20 bucks after hours, and now it's down like 90. It's just utter destruction on this. If we look at, let me see if I've got the, I think I've got the, yeah. So there's just no recovery on this. So it's great for our positions. I mean, we sold a call credit spread and we bought an out of the money put debit spread. So that's awesome. But the idea that this is essentially, this is going to be interpreted as positive for tech stocks, right, is going to be a little tough. Remember, the battle that's happening here is that they have to battle valuations, and there is a lot of destruction going on in the markets right now, and it's happening in 3 main areas. First, bonds. Bonds have had the biggest decline in decades. Secondly, yen. Depending on if you're looking at yen futures or yen cash, obviously yen cash is inverted. Total destruction happening here. I mean, this is the kind of stuff where 6 months later you read about this fund that blew up, that was using the yen as a carry trade, and just this is what this looks like. And and then you have like tech stocks like Netflix, right? And the idea here is that financial assets are losing people's trust. And of course, you can't even see here on the chart where we're trading almost $100 below where this is, and it's going to be in a zone here that's, what are we at, 257. So, down here from many years ago, key support. And so if financial assets can't be trusted, where do people go? And you might think like, well, there's Bitcoin, there's gold, there's silver. But really, if you think mining and metals is where the money flow is, and this is something that if you think of it, yeah, we've had a squeeze here, and it's time for some pausing. But this is a multi-year issue that's happening. This isn't like, oh my gosh, as soon as blah 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 happens, everybody's going to love Netflix again. No, it's over. It's those valuations. When you have interest rates going as high as they are right now, there is, for many people, because remember, we're talking billions of dollars, right? And if somebody like that can take, here's where interest rates were at almost 1%, a year ago, and now they're at 3%. It's like, would you rather have a guaranteed 3% return where you don't have to worry about it, or are you going to put your money in Netflix? That's what's happening here. And so as this kind of continues to go higher, look for more and more tech destruction. All right. So it will not be a dull year. All right, hope it helps. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.